Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a bold blue look, so I broke out my Masquerade palette from Juvia's place, and this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy how it looks. If you do, please continue to watch, and please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Have a wonderful day and happy Cinco de Mayo. Bye bye. Hey beauties, alright, let's go ahead and get started on this look. Starting off with our brow stylist that we use all the time from L'Oreal. I'm using this brush here, and it has the flat end for concealer on this end and the tapered end here. I'm just gonna push this together so that it is nice and thin, and we're gonna get started on the brows. Now this product spreads pretty easily, so you don't have to use a lot. So I just put my line down to make sure that it is a nice straight shape on the bottom and the top, and then I just use the excess product to fill in the brow. When there's a little bit of product left on the brush, then start to fill in the front, because you want to keep that as natural as possible and not have it be too dark. So this is good. This is the natural brow, super sparse, and then this is this. We're going to come back with this brow and we're going to start shaping it with the concealer. Alright, so we have both brows done. We're going to start sculpting them with the concealer, but first we're going to be using this spoolie here and just brushing the product through to make sure it is evenly spread and there's not one like big chunk of color. Using LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige, and we'll use the concealer end of this brush. Okay, so this brow is done. We're going to go ahead and get this brow done off camera and we'll be back. Okay, so we have the brows sculpted. I used the concealer to get them done. Now we're going to go ahead and get started on the eyes. I think I want them to be a little intense. This is the BH Studio Pro Total Concealer. This concealer has a lot of coverage. This is really good concealer. It's just a little too light for me, so I like to use it as my eye base. And sometimes I mix it in if I want to brighten. But I'm just gonna tap just a little of that on my lids for my primer. And I just use this brush. I got this, I think, from Amazon. Okay, so I'm going to a Cinco de Mayo celebration, so that's what I'm getting dressed up for. I just want to be a little bold, so I'm thinking I'm going to use the Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Masquerade palette. So this is how it looks in the front here, and when you open it, it has these beautiful colors here. And for this look, I'm thinking I'm going to maybe do like a blue and purple. So to start off this look, we're going to do a transition color, and we're going to start off with this color here called Zulu. And then after that, we're going to go into this color here called Zoba. So these two colors will be the transition colors. So let's get started. Tapping off the excess because this color is very pigmented. Hold the brush right here at the end because I want this to be blown out. Now I'm going to use this blending brush to blend out the rest of the product on the eye. Next, we're going to go ahead and go in with this color here called Zobu. And then I'm going to use this brush to blend out the harsh lines. Now we're going to go in with this color called Shy right here. I'm going to go in with this color here. And I need this to be even just a little bit darker, so I'm going to go back in with this Black Beauty color just for this outer part right here. Just going to go back over that one more time with this Molly color. Now we're going to go into this color called Makita. Now I'm going to use this extra intense carbon. Alright beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just wanted to do something bold. I've been seeing a lot of blue looks and I know blue is supposed to be the new in-season color. So I just wanted to put my little spin on it. So I hope you guys enjoy how this came out. Please let me know below in the comments what you think, and please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Won't you pick me up at the park right